E-module. Today's topic is knowledge in working air brake trains and various components and attention of brake binding. Here you are observing different type of coaches and wagons. Different types of formations for goods: Vauxhall, BCN, BCNHL, BRN, BTPN, Bosch. For coaching, ICF coaches, LHB coaches, LHB double decker and hybrid. There are different types of trolleys available here. BMBC trolley. Here brake cylinder is equipped on bogie. This is called as bogie mounted brake cylinder. ICF coach with a CBC, ICF trolley, LHB coaches, Fiat bogie, LHB double decker coach, LHB double decker coach bogie. Here bogie with air spring. Hybrid coach, its main coach equipped with a LHB type and trolley is ICF is called as a hybrid coach trolley. Braking system: single pipe system, twin pipe system. This is the single pipe layout. Charging of a single pipe system. Whenever LP keeping A9 in release position, the BP 5 kg charged in formation. At the same time, this BP 5 kg filled in an auxiliary reservoir also. Now system is ready. At the same time, brake cylinder connected to exhaust port of distributor valve. Application: whenever LP applying brakes through A9, the same amount dropped through loco C2 area valve and distributor valve will activate. At the same time, the pressure available in auxiliary reservoir passes into brake cylinder and brakes will apply. Here you observe brakes are in applied position. The auxiliary reservoir BP pressure came into brake cylinder. Now charging. Whenever LP keeping A9 in release position, formation will charge with 5 kg and whatever the pressure in brake cylinder exhaust through distributor valve and brakes are in released position. We can release manually by pulling the QRV, quick release valve, which is available at distributor valve. Whatever the pressure available in brake cylinder exhaust through distributor valve exhaust port. This is the twin pipe brake system. The advantage of twin pipe brake system: the quick application and quick releasing is possible. At the same time, whatever the FP pressure filled in auxiliary reservoir. Twin pipe system charging: the FP pipe charges 6 kg per cm square. Same amount 6 kg pressure filled in auxiliary reservoir. BP also charged with 5 kg. Application: whenever LP applied brakes, the BP dropped through C2A loco. At the same time, distributor valve wagon activated and the pressure available in auxiliary reservoir passed through to brake cylinders. Brakes are applied position. Brakes are in applied position. Recharging: whenever keeping A9 release position and BP pipe filled with 5 kg, at the same time, the pressure available in brake cylinder exhaust through distributor valve exhaust port and brakes in released position. manual releasing of brakes through QRV. Sequence of operation for attending brake binding in goose train. First check the handbrake position. It should be in a off position. Handbrake position for four-wheeler brake van. If brakes not released, pull the QRV and check brakes released or not. This is the QRV. If brakes not released, then remove the brake cylinder dummy nut cautiously. Even though brakes not released, rotate the SAB slack adjusted barrier in anti-clockwise direction. Still not brakes released, then remove the end pull rod pin. Here you are observe end pull rod pin, you remove this one. After releasing brake binding, you isolate C3W valve permanently. For isolating distributor valve, you operate this isolating handle in horizontal position. After isolating distributor valve, you release again QRV. Sequence of operational for attending brake binding in BMBC wagons. Check a handbrake position in off position. In BMBC, the brake cylinder mounted on bogie. Brake application indication here. In application, the lever should be came out. This is brakes on released position. The indicator should be inside. Handbrake system, one trolley. For releasing, first you pull the QRV and try. If brakes not releasing, close the BC isolation cock, which is available here. Just you isolate the BC isolation cock and try. If still brakes not released, remove the brake pin of brake beam connecting pin of each trolley here. This is the AMP. In place of empty bar load, provided AMP. After ensuring releasing of brake binding, isolate distributor valve permanently. Operate this handle in horizontal position. After isolating distributor valve, again pull the QRV to release the brakes and close FP cutout cock and drain out auxiliary reservoir pressure. Silent features of LHB coaches. Fit to run up to 160, further 200 kmph. These coaches are longer by 1.7 meters compared to ICF coaches. Provided with a axle mounted disc brake air brake system with a wheel side protection device. Check indicators provided at coach body side panel. If brake or binding, indicator provided. If brake binding, the indicators provided. This is a green, so there is no brake binding. Here red color indicates brake binding. Handbrake in release position. This is a double decker coach position. CPC coupling. The ACP, passenger emergency alarm signal device, provided inside passenger compartment. Resetting of ACP. To stop the train, pull this device and the red light also glows. At the same time, BP pressure venting through 19 mm choke of PEV. This is the pulled position. This is the not pulled position. The LED lamp will close here. At the same time, whenever ACP, a red light provided outside of the coach also close after ACP. For resetting ACP, take the resetting key and insert in this device and rotate in clockwise direction. Even though ACP not resetted, then close cutout cock near PEV. Here, double decker coach cutout cock. The sequence of operation for attending brake binding in LHB coaches. First, to check the indicators available. Green indicates release position, red indicates application position. Pull the quick release wire which is provided at a pneumatic panel below the coach. This is the release rod. And check a brakes are released or not. It turns to green color. NOR brake system distributor valve. This is the FTIL. A standard cutout box available in brake panel. NOR brake distributor valve. Indicators. If brakes not released, close BC isolation cox which is available in pneumatic panel. Bogie 1, bogie 2 cutout cox. This is a LHB double decker BC isolation cox. If brakes not released, then open the flexible pipe of brake cylinder. This is the flexible pipes. Here. After releasing brake binding, you isolate distributor valve permanently. Isolate distributor valve by lifting distributor valve handle in horizontal position. Double decker. In double decker coaches, instead of handle, they provided one cutout cock. To isolate distributor valve, you turn this cutout cock. Next step, isolate the FP cock. This is the FP cock. Isolate FP cock fitted in brake panel. Drain out a auxiliary reservoir fully. Pull the quick release wire of distributor valve again. Pull the quick release wire of distributor valve again. For LHB double decker coaches, drain out auxiliary fully. Pull quick release wire of distributor valve. This one. Physically ensure release of brake pads of all wheels by shaking brake indicator in green position. It comes to green position or not, ensure. Final position of brake indicators will be in green position. LHB double decker fitted with a air spring suspension in secondary suspension and FIBA device, failure indication brake application. The FIBA device, this is the indicating lamp. If air spring bursts, automatically brakes will apply and whistle sound comes from the respective coach. The indicator becomes a red color. The respective coach air spring isolation cocks to be closed and adjacent to FIBA indicator. One BP isolating cock also to be closed and from FIBA panel switch to be turned close. Then indicator will show green. Can run the train with 60 kmph up to TXR point. Each trolley one FIBA provided. This is the air spring feed pipe isolating cock. This is the BP isolating cock, FIBA panel switch. Ensure proper locking. This is the CBC in open condition, CBC in locked position. The rotary lock lifter is a vertical position. And telltale slot should be in clear. IR screw coupling used in ICF coaches. Dhanyavad. Thank you.